Welcome to my channel. Wireless printer setup for beginners, works with HP, Canon, Epson brother. Step 1. Unbox your printer, remove all packaging materials, tapes, and protective covers from the printer. Place it on a flat surface close to your Wi-Fi router and a power outlet. Step 2. Install the ink or toner. Open the printer cover and install the ink cartridges or toner according to the color labels. Make sure each cartridge clicks into place properly. Step 3. Load paper. Insert plain letter or A4 paper into the input tray. Adjust the paper guide so the paper fits securely without bending. Step 4. Turn on the printer. Plug the printer into a power outlet and press the power button. Wait until the printer finishes its startup process. Step 5. Connect to your Wi-Fi network. Use the printer's touchscreen or control panel to open wireless settings or network setup. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Step 6. Download the printer software. On your computer or mobile device, download the latest printer software or app for your printer brand. This helps install the correct drivers and complete the setup. Step 7. Add the printer to your device. Open your computer's printer settings, choose Add Printer, and select your wireless printer from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the installation. Step 8. Print a test page. Print a test page to confirm the printer is connected and working correctly. If the page prints successfully, your setup is complete. Step 9. Update the printer firmware. Check for firmware updates using the printer software or control panel. Installing updates improves performance, security, and compatibility. Step 10. Start printing wirelessly. Your wireless printer is now ready to use. Print documents or photos from your computer, smartphone, or tablet anytime over your Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching.